government advocate, assistant government advocate, adu atama case man to no on talk was hatibi ecosystem, amadiki paisa lobi chabi, amadamuk tumbi, kotbi. Sarkar is sustaining this horrible ecosystem. Adu I couldn't go in the high Sarkar gi rules, Mizoram gi compendium pongre, I could updated compendium to view so that person administration can be done as per law. See, I was going in the Karikayagi. What is the harm for the government to do that? Pasakari Tangurike. Adu worry, Adu Bangana, they discussed on India. What is this? I'd be at Obodo when I'd be a committee, Shambio. I'd be at Obodo, I'd pay implementation is knocking at the door. Adu mini implement of work and go men I quite plant the old I quite Kanaba, that's a home Parakan Moin Kanaba Hogaleva. Adu the Karmazari Tolopi, the pension due delay Toraga, Walker Mayangi Paisa, Squeeze Toraga, enhance the economy, Jakoganina, Kanmase, Karambe economies na. Manipur Sakar, the Madu suggest of say, Masine Queen Hangis. Who is doing tax planning? Who is doing economic planning in the state? Kanana Kalige. Then who is manning DP? DP Commission Kana or you know, Kanjil of Treva. Rule regulation by the ma'am say. Aduna, Sumaina Sakat Zalai Sakar collapsed Torkani, inefficient government Lagani, due to the inefficiency of the government, there will be a lot of social unwanted socio-economic consequences. Aduna, Sigumba Mayam Punam say, Koi Tamaga, Koi Sakar, Koi pressure to do Koi Warisan, the Konazi having Zumba, Mayam Punam, Koi Tamjani, I quite not demand, couldn't say, strike the with Hizake. I call you 3-4 years. I call you Sakar. I don't worry, it's hard on Torum name. But Tabrak the Sagi Tor Ebony. Ado Hausiku, I call Mayangi Prajagi suffering Mayams, I call Kanadu Ribani. Ado Punam, I call accordingly, I call Ektoni. Aduga Diegi Matang say, Dear holding back dear is illegal now. Dear holding back the was illegal way. We are trying to make it, make this government understand that this is illegal. If they are swearing by the constitutions, they have to enhance DA. In due course, I go in the legal and the constitution way though. What is the legal and the constitution way to get the due DA? I go the Kange, I go Madu will take that course. And the Sakar will force the government to pay DA DR. Ado I go Madu same Sabalo. Sakar, you know what is so that this government or many other governments to come. I go Manipuri situation either young but the opposition ruling that opposition parties are not reacting anything.
Yes.
20 days man what other parties are doing?
Good governance ama porak pata opposition ge achau responsibility.
Then what the opposition is doing?
Yes.
All power hungry lot sitting themselves, they have started their own infighting now. Ado Kanachari and 20 days opposition party to react to what is this democracy and what is this political system?
Sigi matang se koina handak akoi ge oja khemsan gi magi liching makada mana CM oirakpadagi akoina sum experience akoina thengna jabase kari haini hana leiramba akoigi opposition gi makoi manga sisu ojabiren leiringai tadi vocal oirami little bit vocal adum wa kharanga ngameba but oja khemchan hek lakpadagi di desktop makoi vocal oibase something sidasu dum makoi se just opposition se name seki dum manjalapado lengak ta good governance ama porake hai taragadi opposition gi achauba responsibility ama lei habase sisu makoi se kawagi achauba mami ma khak tarai masimaksu adumak opposition oirga su dum rilga makoi marakta dum magi khudong chaba kharagi damakta adumak everything koi politicalized tawrabra habigi achauba mami se Changniba wafamdi akhoi June gi tang amadagi changsaliba somlaba khongjangsi koi secretariat chu tang mari dagi yaure hairi adu akhoina phangjaba report ki matung ina thabaksi 60 years to 62 bok sangthokpagi demand amasu yawe haina tajai aduga akhoi gi central gi akhoi gi servicing gi makhoi gi si July dagi 3% amsu hapakanda makhoi di backlog se 21% yorani habagi kaino masu taje aduga pabung hoina taliba demand sigi matung inadi ahum lak thokna 18% si ahum lak thokna pibasi 3% khaktang thoi habagi amaksu khaksu tajari pabung masida 3% si kari haini masi pibada ngasagi di ahum lak thokna pibadi 12% di almost adum wat lauri banina sigi pipam sida pabung hoina hoji almost 20 days muk changsela pasida lenga ki maike dagi government ki maike dagi pabung hoina taliba demand sisida any positive oiba response phangbagi mamidi ubra natragana pabung lairiba hojiki situation sida di oja chinglena sudumak thambiri matam akhoina matam amada tajabada police ki kenosi tolopsi yamna chang yam nai tang amadagi na tang manga bok ta phangi harambasi policing gi tolop hoba chang yam nairaktaba ja pinglen hojik thambiba market borrowing gi phibam si lakpasina akhoi gi ngasagi DA gi wafam di lairedana monthly salary phoba matam chana piba ngamdabagi kenosi abung masi ki issue sigi ko sina duma oidori pra natragana lenga ki maikei dagi kari kari abung hoina duma masigi lisang sina lakpanina lapse si kari kari no natragana matam chana tawada thabak singsi lenga ki maikei dagi makhoina dum negligence neglect tawga laibagi oidura pabung kamain tawbajana pabung tang thambi
ai amada Manipur Government Services Federation Manipur Secretary Service Association aduga Manipur State Pensioners Union Secretary Drivers Association akoi gi strike ta sangminariba karmachari gi singi sansthan mari se masigi behalf tagi aduga isa gi behalf tagi su aina notice dialogue ki editorial team unamako ngasigi discussion gi keno ma sinbi bise masigi dum tai thaga jani kari gi no habada akoi mainstream media da most important issues the demands of the employees sakar ji kana na run do puno sakar government is done by minister nati government is done by employees sakar gi continuity ma thamme ba sakar gi thabak to ibo khodi ba mayam pun musidi minister may go political parties may come political parties may go minister council may come minister council may go कर्मचारी ने लेंग दना कंसिस्टेंटली कंटिन्यूटी मेंटेन तौदना प्रजा की सर्विस तौदिबसे कर्मचारी ने अदुना अकोइना नुआइ तबसे मसी मीडिया हाउसेस मैन असु मसी की ड्यू इंपोर्टेंस से कोई पीपी दबदों ने कोई तवे अंदो ngasi notice dialogue na masi sinbi rokse ngasi akoi yam ngai chai thank you amada akoi ki demand se akoi demand tari ni Saturday holiday restore to view, DADR, Masi variety tambio, enhancement of retirement age, Hosik 60 or 60 to do view, IP Commission gi, Thorang Hobiro implementation gi, NPS scrap to view, all pension scheme restore to view, re engagement to view, Aduga Margi Mota recruitment se, Yam in a very channelized way. Staff Selection Commission aduga Manipur Public Service Commission gi through the lobby haibani amana contractual appointment se masi aikoi regular sanction post ki adugi kanoda contract hapsil laga tobse masi na it will lead to the eventual collapse of the government administration adu masi topi haibani ko masigi demand singsi ada koi phangjeri bu question che akoi na public tagi su adai de me an tagi su koi hangbi ko question che kari gi di no कर्मचारी ना हापे मयाम विदम ता हापते मम तौते मयाम दा अखोइना खंगन जनी वसे मयाम जी द गवर्नमेंट सु यावरबनिस अखोइना गवर्नमेंट दा अखोइना कन्विंस तब पामी जी करि मोयबदा अखोइगी DACD अखोइगी रियल एनहांसमेंट नते अखोइगी भारत दा रुपी डिवैल्यूएशन आदना अखोइगी लेमेंस इकोनॉमिक्स दा पैसा जे चही गुदिंग लुपा चाम दा लुपा मंगा मंगा डिवैल्यू तोयबा ड्यू टू इन्फ्लेशन अदो कर्मचारी मैम से अखोइगी डिवैल्यू तोरबोइदी अखोइगी रियल इनकम से मसे हंथा करेबा रियल इनकम हंथर पजन कई तौरगे द कर्मचारी सिंगत द वाब द नतना द एंटायर इकोनॉमी की असौबा कनो अमा अखोइगी असौबा बैड इम्पैक्ट हम लय इकोनॉमी सिदा अदो द इकोनॉमिक्स of the city was a singing yam mopung pana tambigre was a singing with Tagasari. Why determine age enhancement? Total sanction pose of around 1,20,000 against the housing 73 for Gatang Lengai Horeva. Come into the governance, nearly 50% shortage of staff later Kanda. Government ji combined to the run to the Ada Sagan I did Taupong the Mayam Kari Yang and a Taupong the Bugim Mayam to the Ahan Batan Government Taupong the Mayam employment crisis and mitigate on the Vidamata 50,000 posts here. Masik Launaba and Honabi over. So him the Mili Singamagi I couldn't last 3-4 years average my coins around 1,000 employees are retiring every year on super unions. And the Sahim the Mili Singamagatu low buggy Duda Maduda Moina employment thing any block the Reba arguments. This argument is a pesal argument. Other 50,000 of Hazana in a very regulated manner loan of Honabakari Kaigeba. Unemployment crisis is hold on with them. Aduzum log the other me detail enhance the Mayam Tokpangana, shedding crocodile tears for the unemployed youth. In fact, they are exploiting the unemployed youth in Manipur. That everybody knows. Then, enhancement of retirement age, this is the most progressive thing any sensible government has to do in these modern times. I quite pity ideas with the life expectancy is 63 years, retirement is 50 years with 30 years down the line. How the Bharat life expectancy is 73 years never. Fortunately, after this 62 years to LOFC, this is more than reasonable. Atopatopa state Mama and the Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and state Mama, there are many examples. Progressive states in already primary school is 65 October.
Yes.
I coin a messy enhance the face crucial out there. Then what kind of governance they are trying to run? Sakar Jalai employees Jangaba. By Sakai talk with me only Yani. Did you work a share among the Toroka Tobi Aneba? Adugo Sakar Jalai, the units people. Units employees, hospital personnel like unit nurses, unit doctors, Bar Sakagi, Noam lady, patient bed, Asuki, nurse among the Gatabani, patient Asuki, doctor Sukla Gatabani, primary school is Hatra Suki, primary school Azam Legatabani, college Hatra Suki, pupil teachers, JCO, hundreds of no mayam, only then no mayam lady. I don't have the law, ignore the Paisarity and Tabusulo by extension to Zoom Wena, Ganugi. Unemployment problem to Toroga progressive will be steps locked the bar. Adu the Madugi problem to call a branca mind to be Ado Isa Misa, Yungli Milay Naiba Monda, Adam Ama Mulokat, Ama Mulokat extension therapy, Ama therapy, extension, Parami, but chip engineer when director when extension to visit. This is illegal. In rarest of rare circumstances, the central government, cabinet secretary, defense secretary, home secretary, key position Karada. Extend the way one ever. I could declare how to collab.
Okay.
I do clap out of good. As it is due to every engaged the weber. I don't way did it out of him and we senior to local labor. I call in a senior gang the Amagang, the Yana meet some local guy, the engaged in some Toxilapa. Migi promotion ka do post to the engage or in the Toxelapa, Sigma Mayam share, Masigi solution sida, I coina, say he is Hando view or Boidi. Aduna Kaidawi, meetings healthy or but Tabak Subung and meeting bo, determine the pushing towards determine. Masi economics hands out of a tabak never, the TV lebagam to the dreba. Aduna, I coina Masito be on a happening. So far, I quite Sakars, I quite convinced of Bungamdri. Ado Matanga, why Saturday holiday? Saturday is a woman suti habane. A hand with the Kalmazine demand of Deva. Sakana Tabado, we welcome it. It was because it was a very progressive step. This is the norm in America, then Europe, this is the norm. Karigino many studies told Matung, the Karmachari Singh say, I quite a moji productive when gave it our with it is necessary to keep them healthy. Moi healthy when I'm one of the Kaiduta, I have the Moise, they have to balance personal care, home care, and office work. Home the balance over the Moji Masafi, how to Kujang as Moin Kangeva. Other boy. Masi Saturday holidays now it is becoming norm worldwide. Other Sakana mother welcome to other employee organizations Utana de Simba Mayam even company Boba
Saturday se Hana the Pidi Pyramid.
Hana Pyramid. Other without assigning any Ranjan Karmazari body Kanava Tanaram the Nam when they have we don't Saturday holiday. Other Equina Masi Taura public now why Saturday holiday? Saturday holiday is the most progressive norm worldwide. Ado I coin Sakar Zibu Prithibi progressive way norm to some follow Toruga Tamaga Chakata Brana Traga going backward. Ninga Chakata Brava. Aduna I coin Masi demand to be say, public and Sumasi, quick Hambio. Karmachari Masa Patra the government has to pay huge medical bill. Yes, medical reimbursement. Other penny wise pound police by accent to never. Other Masito vegan when quite happening. Then why is that during crisis? Crisis is the promise na aduga ekoi ritualistic kind of things, tokenism, sigumba mayam na. Ekoi crisis solved the the best thing to solve the crisis is that government aski efficiency se masi ekoi henkat hengat government aski service delivery mayam. Law and order Tabak Mayam at a sea Punamaki efficiency. Tamna Masi Hengalak under the Equi crisis, Equi short of the Mating Panga. Crisis Matamdani Karmazari Zingze. Thousands of policemen are walking day and night, risking their lives to bring about normalcy. Ado Miami, I think those Yauri, she was Yauri. Then thousands of nurses, thousands of doctors, school teachers, couldn't say, Masi high crisis situation to keep them fit, trim, and satisfied. Moigi, you may have no Bibi, Moji, well motivated when I could Tofum talk what Tabak, Bibi, Mayam did Tabak Pasana, Suhan, Sakan, Honagabani, Governanski, efficiency, Governanski, capacity, Adu Punamakse, Hengan of Sakan, Honagabane. This is the foremost thing to do to end the crisis, to finding towards a solution to the crisis. Other Kamajari may to be the Baben, Toro to be the pension to be talked about, mind some Tamaga, action, some lower suspend, only Kotkania. What kind of governance is this? We fail to understand. Other according to the demand, it is not only about DA, it is not only about Kamazari Kaki welfare in a day. I call you society, we are also part of the society. Aduna, governance efficiency, Hantaradi, we are also sufferers. Madu Henganaba, I call you Lebaxi economy, Paganaba. I call it Lebaxi governance, Pagalagas, Hanti Laknaba, I call it Kuringi life checker, Oinanaba, I call it Kuringi Anganzingi, education, Six disrupt out the Anganzingi future, say Pazana, I call it Lainanaba, every citizen Gurigi life share, secure Oinaba, Zakatnabagi, Pandam the Nequin, a seat of the demand say. Other objects say, economy is behind the is I get them again. My chief secretary hire. Successive government is strangulating the economy of the state. State economy is DA Pitok state economy, Pakale say, Karamba economies Timna study to Karamba expert group study to finding no. Who suggested it? Who recommended Karamba expert Podina, Karamba and other finance department, labor, finance department, I could chief secretary hire. At times we fail to understand who is running finance ministry of the state government. We fail to understand who is the finance commissioner. Mama the Ajay Naranja, of course, eventually he became member of the finance commission. He was given a fixed tenure of 3-4 years to manage the state finance department. Before him, Mohan Kumar Saab, he was from Kerala. Maju Jai Mari Mua Finance Department, they were given fixed tenure by the then chief secretary. Other object na every month finance commissioner Chile Espar to figure finance commissioner agriculture background, the Aman technology background, then what is their experience? Moi Bharat Sakari economy ministry the deputation Jalura, Aduzu Amtanati, Adamuina Migi, Laiba Paisadu, Sunkarmazai Digi to squeeze Toraga, a pig headed with development plan was on Tadaraga, Mayangi economy is strangulated over. Economics role of disposable income by labor. Ado Maduni, Bharat Sarkar the demanding momentum say we have to maintain the momentum of demand. Demand say I demand but opposite multiplier effect layer was answered and bigger. Adona Bharat Sarkar Handaki economy the growth of Malakado, Madukari the GSC Hantabana demands boost away. Adona Barki GDP is only hangle ever. Other PhD number when this present government when center you enhance the Tolo Hangalo, dear Hakalo, minimum wages Hangalo to save the economy higher. I call it minimum wages 8 program when 12,500. Government is engaging grade 4 staff, multitasking staff by paying only 7,500. Government is going against its own act. What is this? At the Manipur Praja, Zukanam the Kainta Highway, we elected these people, these politicians, ours is a democracy, and we allow them to sit all over us. This cannot go on forever. That is why we are making this demand. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Yanuaji, Pabung Nahojik, Tabiriba, Lairiba Lapses, Mayam, si even Lady Bokogi, Hozik, BJP ki double engine ki governance sama pai bada yauri basing si Pabung Chapchana, Pabung Tambiri basi, Hangam Gani Habu Tatazadi, Kayino Havada Masimun Kang the Bamayam si Laibada, Nasi Kahani. Matik chada basing akoin elect tawgi basina babung achauba ko samasu dumak oibra haina su dumak khalle masi dum continue tawdana leiragadi sumlaba tongan ba manipur da leiriba department sing se masigumba unwanted issues babung dum continue soina chathagi gedra haibagi mi pai basu dumak lai. Thank you very much babung yamarik chuma warol thambi bagi makha chathambada su babung akoi lapse se du kematik leire revenue se pura collapse chawre aduna High basing si ako budget hengat hanbagi matang kari karada su adum masagi yana batoksan ba ID magi kharak kanana ba hona bada masagi thingteng tanabagi mahuta du teng na chatkiba mayam sin maram orakanda ngasigi thoi ba issue se pabung department manipur every department se pabung hoji issue leite ba pabung Adu batagadi high bamayamsi akoi white paper ma puthokpa mathau tai high base pabung aroi badadi high basingsi ek oina on ba habasi legislature sing na on gadabanina makhoi da lebaki leiba issue sima lakpa matamda aikoi na masi Tamil Nadu gi Vijay Thalapathy kuidri na pabung tauge yawn tauragadi dum taurisidi Ado akhoi gidi tauge yauna tauba laingak pari basing sida pabung yaudreba basi taseng har kanda nakalamaron da khoi gisu aduma soiba leibra na khalleba 95% of the voters say they sold their voters yun thoyeba chahi mangagi moigi voting rights e yon tho eba yon thok pasina sumaram or kanda dumak moina yelaiba paisa do akoina akoigi ngasagi tax akoigi tax mayam dune habase masi tangai phadar babung khangan ba ma thau taeba masi toine awareness people ma thau ta bra ina khali aduna ta targadi dumak hojik oja chingle na thambiramado budget ki matang da mari raksing badarkar oi vote ki matang da manga raksing ba matang oi haise babung chwai ji da loin yaw ba ne ba do still people are not aware voters are not aware adui targadi matik chada ba representative ama thagat khiba matamda every department da lei ba issue si batau karam na ek olaga tongan ba state singsina lauri ba khudong chaba singse why akoina laudri bisa kari no habse babung poche swai da soina lai re ba everything adui tardi babung as a senior citizen amoina babung nasu akoi hojik lai ba hojik lai ba khoi gi thoi ba issue sigi matang da su babung gi responsibility khoi gi Manipur Government Services Federation gi president amoinu su thau pu biri bane babung aduna hojik thabak tawi ba employee sing natraga haugar ai ban ha sing sida akoi tangai phadana lairiba Manipur gi issue si babung si khaktana te yaman gre adusu mara phuktra di yara roida bangata chronic roina tara bangata adu itari babung kari message pibini ngi haidi something change sama olak traga di yara roi ba babung sidi system si all system sidi pura rotani pura fail ora bane ba babung kari thambini ngi sima tangsa
thank you ai thamjage ai detail to ba almost 6 years phajile Manipur Sarkar ki attitude sidi fortunately I have other means. Pensing as dong ning aktre ba. Ai gi oina di. Kari gi damakta aina it is advances कर्मचारी मैम मोबिलाइज तौबा कादुगा अखोई की एम्प्लॉइज मैम पेंशनर मैम की अवाना ताबा खरा अखोई हेल्थ तौन बोहना इबो करिगिनो हारगदे my firm belief is that अखोई की कर्मचारी मैम की पेंशनर्स मैम की कंसर्न मैम जे सकाना ताबा कर्मचारी जिंगी फंगम तोको थबक फंगनबा aduga due singlu phanghanba yen bi have na teko I don't urge the government to pamper the employees and pensioners mai phangum thoko dum phanghanba sine jingba to bose this is all part of good governance good governance is ye karmachari yaudona kamai to no good governance to bi ge have no thousands of constable mayam kano mayam je officer police officer mayam ji yaudona kamai to no law and order maintain to bi ge have no thousands of doctors thousands of nurses mayam ji yaudona kamai to no health care to bi ge have no this is the big questions people has to think about it again and again ada ai hoje sagana karmachari mayam gi die pithok biu aduga akhoi gi strike manung jidai da karmachari mayam je fit and trim dambiu moi gi concern mayam ji care lobiu aduga sada de holiday je prithvi gi progressive oi ba keno ni masi tobiu retirement age enhance tobiu have se adagi akhoi gi thabak lobu se niyom chumna Manipur Public Service Commission gi through the Manipur State Staff Selection Commission gi through the tobiu is why the government is worrying karamba government na sida wafang thoke ba
yes
no this is the step they have to take up double engine four engine mayam duna tawgada thamsi di sine ba sida akhoi na demand to with the government na wari sana ji adi kai gino
yes
and they are involved in those
yeah
then why the public is against all the karmacharis adi di karino akhoi na hygiene bi mayam che sipun musi tobiu mi du pharano ba democracy da always me apabaka de democracy je adona hulam chi scoundrel mayam ju kai adai lam de jurum kai ba ado kari ino abada akhoi gi ganatantra election doba minister semba democracy is a superstructure superstructure do karam bada substructure do keno democracy ki yumpham de karino well educated people economically reasonably well off people aruga good institutions, various institutions, governance institutions, independent institutions, or autonomous institutions. Sigi institution mayamsina thabak lobugi, wine bizar dobugi, then administration of justice ki punamak mayam adugi sub structure doing matakta democracy superstructure ko kitab ne. Adu di sigi institutions mayamsi every successive government na. They are shipping at the feet of these institutions. How do they go institutions mayamsi doing kaitareba. Then institutions check and balance to the democracy will be a hopeless failure. Aduna, I couldn't tell you, Aduni. Why can Mazari in a Tabulugi, why Matokari Lega Halkari? Tabulugi, Kanugi, Public Service Commission, the low Abisibu, Kamazai Matoli. Of course, I couldn't direct concern, but as a citizen, this is our direct concern. We have every right to demand it. Adudi every section of the society punamakna aikogi naro thabuk bibigi namada aikogi thabuk phangdriba nang hogoliba angang mayam exploit to financially politically exploit to sigi system de kayam kuine sathagi dageba. How long this sorry state of affairs kayam kuine sathagi dageba. Aduna aikoina why we are demanding this? Aikogi two purpose the amana we are trying to make the government to come to its senses. Wakan tarkna ba koi pressure tauri baneba. At the same time, we are trying to create public awareness about this faulty system. Praja mayana masi lana khanbi ganova. Sikam kunya atai se takarai tauri keba. 2000 years back, China the Public Service Commission na thabuk lau kare ba. Akoi na ngasi je 21st century jiba adu bol lau de thabuk yu police ana dum lau ge jibo. What is this? Department the lauri department the thabuk lau na bagi arrangement lai braba. Thabuk lau ba ji specialized arrangement me sange ba thabuk lau bi je. Adu Bharat Sarkar ki thabuk sibu department na lau braba. Hajik department my thabuk lauri sibu sibu karam babli thigile ba khar tawna ge ba pensioners ingi tha taruk keno sibu due bithok da sibu forget about regular enhancement of the ADR pensioners ingi tawraba thabuk mayam dubu tha taruk teret bithok da sibu prithibi mphang karai thoke where it happens Bharat ke karam bi state thoke ada koi financial condition phati di what is government's tax effort Sarkar ke tax effort kari no tax su karak de karak din jum pham lai tax akoi di pi di karaga sarkar ke kofar lai bel lakta bara moi angting yingchen be yadro
Yes.
tax pilferage kari no tax planning kari no tax enhancement tono bi da karam ba taxation ke expert ma'am economists ma'am engage sarga how to enhance the tax base of Manipur tax collection of Manipur karam ba ko mena to urge these say somewhere, sometime, at some point of time, this kind of nonsense should stop by the people of Manipur. Aduna, I quite a hygiene give me the gaino. She demands a quite hijackary. I quite this is the most painful decisions that these four organizations have taken. Every day we are getting, advice from outlying offices. Babung Samai to Sadra man, we card global lai, certificate global lai, ration card get global lai, renew to lai. What we have to do? Quite frankly, we told them, do it, ignore it. Our ambition is, our aim is not to bring down the government to its knees. Government get hand to force of government do moi the government come to its senses. I quite you citizen. We are torturing ourselves. Employees are torturing themselves. Why but habuk suning eba? Despite this government propaganda, Karmachari habuk sui chudi having propaganda. I know thousands of employees are working sincerely. I have seen with my own eyes. Aduna sigumba propaganda mayamji topiu. Topam Dogwa Tabuk to Tobio, governance, improve tone of Honabio, Equi Itatatan, Equi Sakar Hajare. Let's discuss these issues openly. We are ready to do give and take. Hando kansin tatok tasin. We are ready to accept the difficulties of the government too. But at least let us discuss. Say only we are trying to discuss these various issues with the government. Ado handak isak dorokanda amuka kai koi wata de moi wata ra koi tum thole. What is this? Aduna ai koi na hojik pamdari bise Manipur ki praja section gudi makna. Sarkar se we are in a welfare state. There from the government we ask them to go. Sarkar de tax late yes. Because they have the power to legislate. And simple Tori Benever Nursing now go mena bargit or economy turn around say he any padeva. Because through legislations they make economic liberalizations, then tax collection, tax effort, tax planning, everything they have done within 2 years. Say Kuntha Magatur Sibu, economic condition, Patiana, Kara Amana Ninthodona, Maradona, Mughaldona Leba, Aduka Kara Mada, Toro Pangmadi, squeezed of what pension, Bitok the Bahara, Fani, Jen, Bini, Suspend Tony, Aduga, Sinaching, Mayam say. This is not good. Otherwise, you can say missing me kind of Hanabato.
Yes.
In every department, work culture is later. Kariki the Muktono Abeda. Pastoral administration, the rule gimatung in the Tautre. Pastoral administration, the rule gimatung in the Tautre. Pastoral administration, the other Kalai Tau, they are hiding on I want the action of the But I question among the gap. 90% of the court cases in Manipur High Court is employee-related cases. Sakar ki employee ke tono case ne. Government advocate, assistant government advocate, adu atama case me anto no on thok was hathi be ecosystem amadigi paisa lobi chabi amadamuk tongbi khotbi. Sakar is sustaining these horrible ecosystem. Adu akoi government hire. Sakar ki rules है मिजोरम की दी कंपेनियन में फोंग करे आई कोई जो updated कंपेनियन में तो भी हो so that pastoral administration can be done as per law. सी हाई में जब government करी काय रगे. What is the harm for the government to do that? पैसा करी चंगुरी के. अदु वारी अदु बंगाना निंदे discuss तो निंदे अब. What is this? I'd be to Budo, when I'd be a committee, I'd be to Budo, I'd pay implementation is knocking at the door. Ado mini implement of work and go men I quite plant the old I quite Kanaba, that's a home Barakan going Kanaba Hogaleva. Adu di Karmasari Tolopi, Draga, Pensionary due delay Toraga, Walker Mayangi Paisa. Squeeze or enhance the economy, Jakoganina, Kanmase, Karambe economies na Manipur Sakar, the Madu suggest of say, Masine Queen Hangis. Hangbaya Wangsi. Who is doing tax planning? Who is doing economic planning in the state? Kanana Kalige. Then who is manning DP? DP Commission Kana or you know, Kanjil of Treva. Rule regulation by the ma'am say. Aduna Sumaina Sakat Jalai Besidi Sakar collapse Torkani, inefficient government Lagani due to the inefficiency of the government, there will be a lot of social unwanted socio-economic consequences. Aduna Sigumba Mayam Punam say, Koi Tamaga, Koi Sakar, Koi pressure to do Koi Warisan, the Konasi having Zumba, Mayam Punam, Koi Tamjani, I quite not demand, couldn't say, strike the with Hizage. I go 3-4 years, I go Hakar, I don't worry, it's hard on Torum name. But Tabrak the Isagi Tor Ebony. Ado Haujisu, I quite Mayangi Prajagi suffering Mayams, I quite Canada Ribani. Ado Punam, I quite accordingly, I quite Ektoni. Aduga Diegi Matang say, Dear holding back dear is illegal now. Dear holding back the was illegal way. We are trying to make it make this government understand that this is illegal. If they are swearing by the constitutions, they have to enhance DA. In due course, I go in the legal in the constitution way though. What is the legal in the constitution way to get the due DA? I go the Kange, I go we will take that course. aduga sarkar se will force the government to pay DAR. Adu ekoi madugi sem chaba loire. Sarkar you know what is so that this government or many other governments to come. Ekoi Manipur ki situation is the either young but the opposition ruling, that opposition parties are not reacting anything.
Yes.
20 days man what other parties are doing.
Good governance ama porak pata opposition ge achauba responsibility.
Then what the opposition is doing?
Yes.
All power hungry lot sitting themselves, they have started their own infighting now. Adu Kanacharian 20 days opposition party to react to what is this democracy and what is this political system?
Sigi matang se koina handak akoi ge oja khemsan gi magi liching makhada mana CM oirak padagi akoi na sum experience akoi na thengna jaba se kari haini hana leiramba akoi gi opposition gi makoi manga sisu oja biren leiringai tadi vocal oirami little bit vocal adum wa kharanga ngameba but oja khemsan hek lak padagi di desktop makoi vocal oibase something sidasu dum makoi se just opposition se name sekki dum manjalapado lengak ta good governance ama porake hai taragadi opposition gi achauba responsibility ama lei habase sisu makoi se kawagi achauba mami ma khak tarai masimaksu adumak opposition oirga su dum rilga makoi marakta dum magi khudong chaba kharagi damakta adumak everything koi politicalized tawrabra habigi achauba mami se babung taba haurabani ko
I tamjage. These opposition parties, Sakada, Koi Mijang Banati. I could hire all. You employees, no Kadorino, what are doing is nonsense. Stop it. You shut up. Resume work. Hi over.
Yes.
Adu go accept of game. Aduka Sakar 20 days is like the Sakan Karigi positively respond to what the government is doing. Adu option maneva. To Minadum, Kaim Tadana react to the Koi Political Party, Adu candidate to Hakat Padu to them. I go in a city, the all wine in the new government. Next 20 years, the Equine Manipur, I go in a young constructive way of government. I'm very sorry to say that. We don't expect sincere, constructive, well-meaning government. We have to force the government to act in the interest of good governance and to act in the interest of good service delivery for the people. Every section of the society, minimum wages bo. Akoi Manipur government services federation chahi ani tanarga minimum wages enhanced so bigi ek to 21 the due wibodo 24 gi loram daida adu kata revise the way adu ja koi na tanari bani we were pursuing the matter adu kala the trade union labor union where are all those union where are the laborers themselves where are the workers themselves adu moi gi tan ga to mayam do moi khango moi ju talu I could help okay I could the talibu I could give you ni talibase we don't ask the government to pamper us I could give you to be ibani aduga hen be ibanateba I could give you the going pang by Zelebaki economy every section of society economy is that soba boost ma be do ribani adugi them then a coin talis our own employees in his help his pursuit nateba adu mayam putting say Sakana Bhapta people pay political parties establishment labor mayam ji moi Bhapta people pay Manipur ki praja Bhapta people pay aduna ekoi MLA ekoi khan ki MLA mayam je ekoi live en khalaga moi de ge ekoi ne ya ka khalaga sum ngai lebe sidi mi lamdam to tongnadre koi je madu torgum si apsini ai ne thamjai si thank you
okay thank you very much Tagachari ai oja